In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code in Wix. We'll start by creating a clean QR image and then bring it into your Wix site so visitors can scan it instantly. Follow along and you'll have a professional, scannable QR code on your page in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to a QR code generator. On the home page, you'll see options for different QR types. Choose the type that fits your goal. In this walkthrough, we'll use the text option as an example, which is perfect if you want the QR to display a short message or code when scanned. If you're using text, try to keep it concise and error-free. Shorter content generally makes a cleaner, easier to scan code. Next, type the exact text you want encoded into the QR. As you type, you should see a live preview. Make sure it looks crisp and readable. Then customize the look by selecting a frame style you like. Frames can add a call to action and help the code stand out on your site. Prioritize strong contrast, dark code on a light background, because that improves scan reliability. Avoid adding too many decorative elements that might crowd the code. A little white space around the edges makes scanning faster. When you're happy with the preview, click Download. Choose a common image format like PNG or JPG. PNG is typically best for sharp edges. Save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated website assets folder, and give it a clear name so you can spot it quickly later. Now switch to your Wix editor. On the left, click the plus icon to add content to your page. Choose Image to open the media options. Click Upload Images, then select Upload from Computer. Navigate to the QR image you just saved and select it. Once it appears in your Wix media library, click Add to Page to place it on your canvas. Position and resize the QR image where you want it to appear. Keep it large enough to scan comfortably, especially on mobile, typically at least 1 inch or a few centimeters on screen, and maintain some breathing room around it so other graphics don't interfere. If your page has a busy background, consider placing the QR over a light section or adding a subtle box behind it for contrast. That's it. You've generated a QR code, uploaded it to Wix, and added it to your page in a clean, scannable way.